Welcome to my class. In this particular video session, we will talk about issues in cloud computing. Issues in cloud computing. No doubt there are many benefits of cloud computing. Like any other technology, before it becomes stabilized and mature, business needs to be cautious before adopting this technology. There are certain issues in cloud computing which are clubbed into two categories. The first one is security issues and the second one is implementation or adaptation issues. First one, security issues. Security is a major issue in cloud computing. Some of the major issues related to security are as follow. The first one, confidentiality. Prevention of unauthorized disclosure of data is referred as confidentiality. Generally, cloud technology works on public networks, therefore there is requirement to keep the data confidential. Confidentiality can be attained by encrypting the data before placing it in a cloud. Second, data integrity. Data integrity refers to the prevention of unauthorized modification of data, and it ensures that data is complete, correct, reliable, and accessible. Once data is moved to cloud, owner hopes that their data is secured. The cloud service provider must ensure that the data is not changed after being moved to cloud. Strong data integrity is the basis of all cloud service models such as software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. There are certain methods to preserve data integrity such as use of cryptography, use of digital signatures, use of redundant array of independent disks, that is RAID. The next security issue is availability. Availability refers to the prevention of unauthorized withholding of data. This means the service provider must ensure data backup through business continuity planning. Second, disaster recovery planning, that is DRP. The availability of data can be affected temporarily or permanently, which may lead to partial or complete loss. The availability of data can be affected by first, denial of service DOS attacks, denial of service attacks. Second, equipment failure, and the third one is natural calamities. The fourth security issue is governance. Lack of control over employees can create problems relating to design, implementation, testing, and deployment. Therefore, there is need for governance model which controls the standards, procedures, and policies of the organization. The risk management program may be helpful to the organization to verify the policies that can shift the risk landscape. The next one is trust. Trust is another important issue in cloud. Various studies conducted on this aspect reveals that cloud has to go a long way to build trust between the client and service provider. Clients will have trust only first when they have visibility into the security and privacy controls employed by the cloud provider, And second, when they see their performance over time. Once the service user see the performance of service provider, only then it will have trust over them. The next one is legal issues and compliances. Pertaining to laws, one of the unique problems is that laws vary from place to place. In cloud, user is not aware of where data is located physically. What are the different security laws of that country? Is cloud service provider meeting all those legal requirements pertaining to data security controls? Here we find that the cloud service user has no control over this issue. The seventh point is data shifting. Some cloud service providers do not use their own servers. Rather, they make use of servers of other service providers. There are a number of problems in that case. There is possibility that data in those external servers may be less secure. If external server is shut down due to some legal problem, financial crisis, or natural disaster, then there may be some problems in getting the data back. In this case, the solution appears to be that backup policies such as Continuous Data Protection (CDP) should be implemented. The next one is incident response. If some untoward incident takes place on the side of cloud service provider, then the service provider has to ensure that a transparent response process is in place that shall share information during and after an incident. The second one is implementation or adaptation issues. The first one in this category is interoperability issue. If a company develops an application over cloud infrastructure, then the company may find it difficult to change to another cloud vendor that has proprietary programs and different formats for importing and exporting data. This creates a problem for achieving interoperability of applications between two cloud vendors. Second, hidden cost issues. Like in any business, the cloud service providers also do not reveal what hidden costs are. For example, the user company could incur higher network charges charged by service provider for storage service containing terabytes of data in the cloud. These are some of the implementation issues. Thank you very much.